Hello dear friends, my name is David. In this video I will tell you about the new airdrop from Pump.fun and how to get the project's tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find good projects for you as quickly as possible that could potentially enrich your crypto portfolio. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is amazing and rich, and you definitely shouldn't miss out on such events. So, I'll briefly tell you what this airdrop is and demonstrate the process of obtaining tokens using my own example. I'll leave the official resource for participation in the description below the video. Pump.fun is a token launch platform on the Solana blockchain that allows users to easily create their own meme coins. The platform has gained popularity due to its simplicity, eliminating the need for technical expertise to launch a token. Let's move on to obtaining tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens in your balance to meet the activity criteria. In my case, I have $4,628 in Solana tokens in my Trust wallet. Next, go to the official website pumpsouls.com, which is in the description below the video. Next, you need to connect the wallet that is more active and has interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear with a confirmation of connection to the site, which must be confirmed. And we wait until the token is credited to our wallet. In a couple of minutes, I received $3,593 in Pump.fun tokens. I strongly recommend that you don't miss this opportunity and take part in this airdrop, as it will be a great way to replenish your crypto wallet. If you have any problems, write in the comments below the video, and I will be happy to help you. Good luck, everyone.